Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Quietcarry IQ here with me for a quick review. And please, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's quickly see what do we have in the box. Nice box. It's coded for carbon fiber, stone for the finish, basically, of the handle and of the blade. And it's very, very minimal. I like it very much. Thank you for purchase. So nice business cards, and then you have this box with this foamy with a cutout for your finger just to pull out this little cutie over here. It's very, very cool indeed. This is the Quietcarry IQ in a murdered out configuration, black blade, black handle. Overall length of this guy is gonna be around 6.7 inches roughly, and it's gonna have a 2.75 inch long blade with a 3.75 inch long handle. So it's a tiny one. It's not big. It's made in China. It's a nice titanium frame lock with this pretty cool carbon fiber insert. Scale over here, kind of like scale. Yeah, reverse bolster. So it's cool. It's sporting a nice Warncliffe blade in a Elmax DLC coated. Nicely done, I have to say. It's nice. The pocket clip is also deep carry. The screws are not protruding. It's nicely done. There's a little bit of a sharp edge over here going on, but nothing too crazy. Nice titanium backspacer over there. The sound this guy makes, it's very subdued. Look at this. Oops. Nice. And almost quiet. It's snappy and almost quiet. Nice clicky. And this is a dampened sound. It's very elegant. I mean, overall, this is kind of like a gentleman's stealth, modern take on something that looks a little bit retro, but also looks very good and modern at the same time because of the blacked out titanium and the carbon fiber, of course. The weight in the pocket, it's like 2 ounces. So really, guys, this is light. I like this little touch over here, these 4 dots in both sides of the knife. It's really, really cool. You've got a nice grip, I have to say. I feel a little bit too much the pocket clip over here, but overall it's not that ugly. But I still feel it. Very, very smooth, very, very tiny and slick and slim. Detent strength is on the, I would say, medium side. The only way you're gonna be able to deploy is with the flipper tab, because there's no way to just pull the blade out, but it works. It works. Pivot is D-shaped, so I really like it. It's running on bearings and it is very smooth. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.